We're living in unprecedented times, aren't we? The coronavirus isn't just terrifying from a health point of view, it's causing chaos economically.
Well, there is one thing that's around the corner and we need to start thinking about it. Sorry to be a doom and gloom merchant, but it's time we started to prepare for a recession, and today's Ask Shaf is going to help you do just that.
Even before the virus, there were signs of a downturn. In September, the UN announced the weaker growth in advanced and developing countries means the possibility of a global recession in 2020 is a clear and present danger.
There's a warning if I ever had one. They urge policymakers to head off the threat by focusing on jobs, wages and investment. Aside from that, we know growth and contraction of the economy is cyclical. The last recession, which kicked off with the banking crisis in 2007, seems a long time ago now. It's only a matter of time before growth slows and stops altogether. What we don't know is exactly when this will happen. Let's assume we have at least a few months before recession hits us fully. You never know, it might be a couple of years away. We need to use that time to prepare and get ourselves in the best position possible so we can ride it out. Today I'm focusing on what we can do at a personal financial level. Don't worry, there'll be hacks and advice for getting businesses recession ready on my free YouTube channel as well. There are two areas you need to concentrate on: saving money and paying off debt. Work out how much money you would need in the bank to cover 3 months' living expenses if the worst were to happen and you lose your job. Mortgage, food, bills, car, sit down and plan. How much can you afford to put away for the next few months to reach this amount? And look at your debt. If you have credit cards, transfer them to a 0% interest card and pay them off quicker. Be strict. Don't use the cards for purchases and focus on getting that debt down. You'll save a fortune if you can pay it off early, and your finances will be much healthier if things take a turn for the worse.
It's all very well saying, save money and pay off debt.
But if you don't have any left out your monthly income, how do you go about finding the cash to save? Simple, make changes to your lifestyle. Firstly, look at everything that you pay for. Use a web comparison site to get better deals on your mortgage, insurance and utilities. Any savings you make can go straight into your new savings pot. Do you pay a fortune for several clubs for your kids? If their schedule is jam-packed, ask them which activity they want to drop and save the money. Look at your shopping bill. Spend one evening a week planning your meals and cook them from scratch. Swap Waitrose for Aldi. Ditch the ready meals, takeaways and eating out. Look, I didn't say this was going to be easy or fun, but you'll thank me in the long run. Holidays. The sensible thing to do would be to forget them and save the money, but I do realise the benefits that escaping from the daily grind can bring. I'd urge you to be canny and shop around for the best deals. Previously, it's been cheaper to book everything yourself online, but try a travel agent. They might be able to get you a cheaper deal or a better hotel for the same price. The best way to save money is to make it. So is there a potential for you to take a second job? If you love pets, could you become a dog walker in your spare time? Lots of established walkers only work during the week, so there may be a gap in the market to offer weekend walks. Are you crafty? Can you sell pictures, frames or little keepsakes? There's been a huge boom in handmade mementos, and with sites like Facebook and Instagram, it's never been easier to promote your work. If you focus on saving and paying off debt over the next few months, you're going to be in a far better position to deal with any downturn. Don't forget to subscribe to my free YouTube channel for more advice. I'll be here for you through the good times and the bad.